this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6836. This ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2013. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack CD player stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,